Because that baby gonna be up, hungry, ready to eat. Like, what's the tea, Ma? Where's my meal? Hello, it's me. Hey girl, what's up? What's the tea? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. But today we're going to be doing a chit chat, get ready with me. So grab yourself something to drink and your makeup and let's get ready together to have some girl talk, some girl time. Me and you, bonding moment. So yeah, but before we get into the video, make sure you're subscribed. Please do that and let go. Hey y'all, what up though? We about to get ready together as you seen in the intro, right? But as you all know, if you've seen any of my chit chat get ready with me's, this isn't like makeup tutorial based. It's like we're literally just gonna chat and I'm gonna get ready. So you know, we're gonna get ready together. It's supposed to act as like me and you in a room together, chitting and chatting and getting ready together. I already primed. And my skin is doing this thing where it like hates me and it just acts out and misbehaves and breaks out and it gives me low self-esteem for a couple of days. But you know, it's whatever. So let's chat a little bit about confidence. I feel like when I was younger, I used to always, oh, okay. When I was younger, I used to always, get called like conceited. I remember this girl, mind you, I had never, ever even had a conversation with shorty, but she was going around the whole neighborhood telling people that she didn't like me because I was conceited. So I'm thinking to myself like, I've never talked to this girl a day in my life. I don't even know like how you could just look at somebody and say that they're conceited, but whatever, I'll oblige you. She literally was going around the whole neighborhood like telling everybody that I was conceited, and I'm like, huh? Like, sis, I don't even know you. Like, I never even talked to you a day in my life. So how you gonna say that I'm conceited? How you don't like somebody because you think they're conceited, but you never even had a conversation with them? So anyway, I can remember like just thinking to myself like, wow, like I never even talked to this girl. But I know now like that I now am extra mindful and cautious because I don't want anybody to think that about me. So I think that sometimes like I do downplay myself a lot because I never want to come off conceited. Like I don't want somebody to think like, oh no, she is just so conceited. Because I know that sometimes people do just prejudge, and I don't feel like having to like go and like explain or you know all of that stuff. It's like I'd rather you just not think that from the gate. Guess what I got y'all too? Sidebar. Clean sponges. For once I clean my sponges. But yeah, so like to avoid anybody even thinking that I'm conceited, I do a lot of the times just like downplay a lot. And I don't mean like, I'm not talking about just looks. I'm not talking about just looks. I do kind of like just downplay myself because I don't feel like that. Like I don't feel like anybody misjudging me because I really don't have the time to try to clean up their perception of me. Because for a lot of people, perception is reality. So it don't matter if you are a great person at heart or not. Like majority of the time, if somebody thinks something about you and don't really take the time to get to know you, they committed to that. I feel like now I'm kind of like getting stuck in downplaying myself instead of like living in my truth. Like I'm lit, and again, I'm not talking about outward appearance. I mean like everything about me lit, my personality, like all of that stuff. But where's my concealer? But yeah, like, but I do know that it's a fine line between being like cocky and conceited and being like confident. And I think like before I was confident, but now I feel like I am trying very hard to not, you know, make people feel like I am too. And you know what's helping me too? I feel like I am around a lot of confident women who like, they're confident. They're not like cocky or anything like that. They just know who they are, what they bring to the table and all of that stuff. And so I think that now I'm trying to get more back into just like being like, nah, I know like the value that I possess. Before, somebody would be like, oh my gosh, you look so cute, or you're so creative, and I would be like, I mean, no, it didn't take that much creativity. All I did was XYZ. And like, I catch myself now and I'm like, thank you. Like, I appreciate that. Instead of pushing the compliment away. At this stage, I'm getting to know myself again. Like, getting to know myself as like the person that I am now. Because I'm completely different now, even than I was like a couple of years ago. Like, my interests have changed, and you know, I'm different. So I am taking the time to get to know myself, you know, just spending time with myself and stuff like that. And you know what, also too, I want to segue into another topic. Hold on, let me find my contour. I want to segue into another topic, which is, I seen a what's the name that said, like, it was a guy talking about how, like, you should do all of these things before you get into a relationship and before you settle down, like such as travel, get to know yourself. And not saying that you shouldn't like get to know yourself before you get into a relationship, but he was saying like acting as if like you can't do those things when you're in a relationship or a marriage. And I'm just like, how, Sway? Like, if you want to be alone, like if you want to have a day to yourself, what's wrong with saying to your significant other, today I just really want to have some me time and I want to be alone and I want to do things by myself today? Like, if you have a healthy, trustworthy relationship, I don't see why you can't do that. I don't see why that's a problem. Much like if you want to go on a vacation, like if you like they say like travel before you get into a relationship, and it's like, why can't I travel while I'm in a relationship or in a marriage? Like, what do you mean? Like, since I'm in a relationship, I can't travel to different places? Like, if I want to go on a trip with my sisters, you mean to tell me I can't go on a trip with my sisters because I'm married? Like, no, I can. I just think that like you have to have a trustworthy relationship. If you don't have no trust in your relationship, of course the other person not gonna want you to go and do things because they gonna think you out somewhere being shady. To me, I just feel like that's an outdated way to like look at it. Like, people are living and thriving in relationships and in marriage, myself included. And I don't know who said that like people gotta stop growing and getting to know themselves just because they in a relationship. Like, that don't make no sense, because you're forever growing and evolving and changing as a person, whether you're in a relationship or not in a relationship. So it's like you can never stop getting to know yourself, because you're never gonna stop changing and growing. So like, what, you never supposed to get into a relationship? But I do feel like you should like have, you know, your life lived a lot before you have kids. That's just my own opinion, and that's why I don't have any kids yet, because I feel like I haven't really been able to like do all that I want to do, and not just in a like professional sense, like a business sense, but also in like a travel. And I know like you could travel with your kids and stuff like that, but I also feel like me and my husband have only been together for going on 5 years, and married for not even one yet. So, you know, it's still much for us to do and to explore as a couple. But like, everybody and their mother be clocking my uterus like, when you going to have kids? And I'm just like, not yet. Like, not yet. I ain't got a house yet. Like, that's just my own personal goals. Like, it's like me personally. Those are some of the things that I want to have. Just like a certain sense of stability before I bring a child into the world. That's all. And sis, did you see that? I knew these was the cheap nails. I put on some press-ons before I started filming because I really ain't had time to go get my nails done. And let me tell you something. They was only $3, and it's a reason for that. No, I shouldn't have got them cheap nails, man. My other ones never did me like that. Look at this now. Tacky. Tacky. Oh, I just finished my brows, by the way. So we hit 7K. Yay! Like, literally, I'm just so excited. Like, 7K. Like, I literally remember, like, I was watching old videos of mine because I haven't taken down, like, any videos. All of the videos from, like, when I first started in 2016 are still up there. And I was, like, looking at the videos and I was like, wow. Like, I remember being like, oh, shout out to my 77 subscribers. And like, now I got 7K and I'm so grateful. 7K, baby. 7K, baby. Wow, I can't believe that I have 7,000 people who chose to subscribe to my channel. Like, that's lit. Yeah, I wish I did have a schedule that permitted me to like upload on a more frequent basis. Well, not upload, record on a more frequent basis, because I really do enjoy like creating content. Like, I really do. But it's like trying to juggle like creating content and my business and my job and life in general. Like, whew. Lashes. Oh, new lash boxes. This is what the old lash boxes looked like. And this is what the new lash boxes look like. Because, you know, we rebranded. Yeah, the lashes that I'm going to wear today are Dream. And Dream is my all-time favorite from the new line of lashes. Like, I got rid of all of the old styles and added in all new styles, which I'm about to do again. And I'm probably only going to keep Dream. But the lashes are buy two, get one free. I think the code is buy two, get one. Oh, okay. This isn't as like red. Ooh, this look humpy. I'm gonna have to fix that. Like, I wish this back part looked like this. Like, I wish it could just go down like that. I'm not talking to you, I'm filming. Okay, so that's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you. Much love. Be sure to drop down in the comments and leave me a black heart if you made it this far, because I know only my loyal subbies watch my chit chat get ready with me. So shout out to you. Also, give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and make sure to check down in the description box for the things mentioned, like the jewelry, the lashes, the coupon codes, all of that stuff. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings.